Hey guys, Nate Doc here, and welcome to the Reedy River Wetlands Preserve. Now it's a really cool looking place. It's on the northern part of Unity Park in Greenville, South Carolina. I don't know much about it, but they just opened it a few days ago. Looks really cool. Let's check it out. Here are the animals that you can find here. Cool. There's a snapping turtle. Sorry I can't get any closer. Cool. Alright guys, that's all the time I'm out for now. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Bye.